Hi Mohan, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Can you tell me about the course you've done in Ireland and how's the education system in Ireland works and how it is different from Indian system actually?
I did my master's in Dublin City University, DCU, and the course is my master's in mechanical and manufacturing engineering, specialization in advanced manufacturing. So we had like four different specializations. So I chose like advanced manufacturing would be helpful because like I did my master's and I had my bachelor's and the previous experience was from my manufacturing. So I felt like my advanced manufacturing would be helpful to develop my skills. And I had a module like it's called an advanced manufacturing, and it's a software which being used in the manufacturing field in Ireland. So I had a lot of skills like doing the hydrogen buses. Like we had to do the projects, and I did my master's project which is like the solar cell, which is a latest trend which is developing recent years. So I have, and mainly like I had a lot of interaction with a lot of professors who was doing in the course.
Okay, that's great. Are professors there helpful and are they multicultural? How it is?
Yeah, like we had a mixed race of people, of lecturers for teaching. I think like we had an Indian lecturer as well, but comparatively like we had most of the Irish people, and definitely like they were very helpful and teaching when we have doubts and just get clarified as soon as possible, like and like even everything was good, and it was definitely a multicultural experience with all the lecturers there.
What made you to choose Ireland over the other countries?
Like the main reason is I preferred I should do a master's which is having just a 1 year of course. So comparatively US and Canada, they all have 2 years, and I just wanted to complete as soon as possible. So I prefer to be in Ireland, and I feel like engineering is good, and it is an English speaking European country compared to others. So I feel like Ireland would be a best option to do the engineering over there. So that's what made me to choose there.
Okay. And how's the daily routine works? Like, are the part-time jobs sufficient to manage the living expense there?
Yeah, definitely. Like initially, it was very easy for me to get a part-time job. As soon as I landed in Dublin, within 2 or 3 weeks, I landed on a part-time, and it was very helpful in managing my expenses and my rent and my food and all those. So I feel like the going for the part-time and working for 20 hours should be fine to sustain a life in Dublin.
So you could able to manage both study as well as part-time easily.
Yeah, exactly. But still, like many people just work more hours. I prefer to work just for 20 hours.
According to the rules and
Yeah,
regulations.
so everybody should be following on just only for 20 hours. And if you do that, and it will be very easy to manage all the works and the part-time and the attending classes and doing all the assignments and all those. So I prefer just doing for 20 should be fine.
Okay. And after completion of your degree, you would be having the post-study work visa. How's the job market out there? Like, did you able to get the job easily? A professor helped you out, or how it worked for you?
Like I had a Irish professor, but she just helped me in finding all the companies. But she just gave me what are the companies, engineering companies, especially in Dublin. So she just helped me in that way. And comparatively, like if we want to check out the CVs and all those, like if we want to build up our CVs, she helped me in that. And my how did I landed my job is through my part time. Like I just get socialized with the people who come to my shop. So one of my customer who was coming to my shop regularly, he just made me to get a job, and I just landed after like 2 months of completion of my course.
Okay. So are there any graduate fairs happening within the college for the people studying there? You had the networking and you've done that, but how it works for every other student?
Like every October, like since I landed there, like every October there will be a graduate fairs happening in Dublin. So many people will be living around Cork, Limerick, and Galway, and everybody will be traveling out for the career fairs. I think like many people who's like, especially for the graduates who's very fresher and after completing their bachelor's, who's coming for their master's. So that would be very helpful for them, and that will also be helpful for the other experienced people who get contact with the other people. and they're having contact directly with the recruiters. They can have a talk with them when they go through the career fairs. Every October and April, I think many fairs will be happening. Yeah.
Okay. Initially, you had your student visa for 1 year, then you'll be having your post-study work visa. And what is the current visa you have, and how the progress to PR works in Ireland?
Currently, I'm in my stamp 1 critical visa, so that's like that. If you be in that visa for 24 months, you will be getting a permanent resident in Dublin.
Okay, that's very quick.
Yeah. So I didn't get that initially as soon as I joined my job.
Okay.
So I was in my 6 months of probation. After completing the successful probation, then my company offered me to get my critical visa.
Okay. And how is the job life out there? You know how the job life works in India. What did you find it more attractive?
The job culture is totally different compared to India. So there's no like stress. You can just work very leisurely. Like there won't be any stress, and you have you have to work just 40 hours per week, and even in the week and weekends, every Saturday, Sundays is off. So and the colleague, especially the Irish people, are so warming, and it will be very helpful for you. And I feel like the work-life balance is very good compared to India.
Okay. That's great. And what is the salary starting for a technical person? How it is for a management person? Like, can you give the rough figure?
As for last year, I think general salary should be around like 30,000 per year. But I think so there might be some inflation this year. I'm not sure about the exact numbers.
Okay, not a problem. Thank you so much, Mohan, for coming here and explaining how the whole things works in Ireland. Probably this will help the student a lot. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ashura.